Welcome back to HSK Standard Chinese Language course. Today we are going to complete lesson number 3. Lesson number 3 is what is your name? 你叫什么名字? Let's restart. 你叫什么名字? 我叫李月。我叫李月。New words. 叫什么? 叫 is to call. 什么 is what. 名字 is name. 我 is me, I. So don't forget these two words, 我 and 你. 我 is I, 你 is you. 李月 is Chinese name of a person. So 李月. So from here you can see that the name of Chinese people are of this kind. So don't expect them to have names like in your country. So they have their own kind of name. So Li Yue is name of the person shown in this figure. Let's practice again. Jiao is to call, to be called. So jiao. 什么 is what. 什么 what. Name is 名字. So it is name. So here you can see how to write these words. You can see the strokes. So remember, in Chinese, if you are interested in writing, it always starts from left to right and from top to bottom. So whenever you are writing, follow this sequence start from left to right and from top to bottom. Next one is 我 is me, I. Whenever you want to say I in Chinese, you will always use 我. So don't forget these words, very important. 我 is me, 你 is you. 李月 you don't need to worry about this word too much because it's a little hard for you at this moment. What is meaning of Li and Yue we will study in future. You should know that this is the name of a person. Let's move to the second dialogue. Question is 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? 你是老师吗? Are you a teacher? 我不是老师. 我不是老师. I'm not a teacher. 我是学生. 我是学生. I'm a student. So I'm not a teacher. I'm a student. Okay, don't forget that. New words here are 是 is to be, is MR as we use in English. So in Chinese you use 是. 老师 is teacher. So remember this because you will need this word when you are in China or whenever you are talking with your teacher. So 老师 is teacher. Ma. This is question mark. It is used at the end of the question. So whenever your sentence is like a question, if you are asking a question, you will always add ma at the end of the question sentence. So here you can see, are you a teacher? So 你是老师吗? So there is ma at the end because this is a question. 学生 is student. So again, another important word for you. 学生 because you are also a student. So you can say 我是学生. I'm a student because you really are a student. Let's we practice how to write these words. I would suggest you to start writing now because it will help you to remember the words for longer time period. The more you write, the more it will be easier for you to remember. So shi is to be, 老师 is teacher. This is how we write 老师 from top to bottom and left to right. Ma. Another important word, ma, is a question mark. Ma. 学校 So you are a 学校。我是学生。I'm a student. Okay, let's we practice and study another important dialogue. It is how to ask someone from where you are or from which country you belong to. So let's we see. 你是中国人吗? Are you a Chinese person? 你是中国人吗? So in this picture you can see this girl is asking the other girl, are you a Chinese? 你是中国人吗? Answer is 我不是中国人 I'm not Chinese. 我是美国人 I'm an American. 我不是中国人我是美国人 So if someone is asking you 你是中国人吗? Your answer will be, if you're not Chinese, 我不是中国人我是什么什么 Just add name of your country 我是 Just add the name of your country Pakistan, India, Italy, America or Germany, whatever is name of your country, just add your country name, Kenya or Australian or any country name you can add. This is how you ask someone about their country. New word here are run is human. Another important word, run, human, person. Any person is run. 中国 is China. So if you are going to China, you should know that this word 中国 it means China. So in Chinese you write China like this. 中国美国 is United States. America 美国 This is how you write America 美国 Let's we practice run is human, very simple to write. 中国 China, 国 means country. 中国 China. 美国 is America. This is how we write. Practice this as much as possible. That's all for today's lecture. Now I have a small quiz for you. So here we have 6 fill in the blanks and 6 pictures. What you have to do is just fit the right picture in fill in the blanks. For example, in first we can see 中国 is China. So in these 6 pictures, which one is more appropriate to use? So here we see C is flag of China. So this is 中国. We can write C here. In similar way, you have to complete all other 6. Just write down the answer in your comments, or you can simply join our Facebook group and WhatsApp group. So that's all for today's lecture. Here you can scan this course to join our groups. I would recommend you to repeat this lecture again and try to practice as much as possible. Write all the new words you have learned and practice all the new words with us. If you think this is useful, just simply share it with your friends and hit the like button. Take care. Have a good weekend.